For many people, achieving the benefit of obtaining Social Security disability payments is a very important factor as they move forward with their life. It can be a culmination of a long process of paperwork and arguing in some cases with the government in order to receive compensation for disabilities that they may have that prevent them from working. And that's why it's so important for many people to make sure that those payments continue to go forward and continue to come forward in an uninterrupted fashion. There are a number of different factors within the criminal law that can affect a person's ability to continue to receive Social Security disability benefits. First of all, if there is a warrant for someone's arrest in certain areas, whether it be a flight arrest or escape from custody, those are types of warrants that people need to be aware of. If they're not complied with and not allowed to be served, they can ultimately have the detrimental effect of having disability benefits being terminated. Further than that, it has to do with convictions and issues of confinement. In cases where there has been a conviction of a crime, it's important that that individual, if they receive Social Security disability, notify their office, the Social Security office, immediately. Failure to notify the office can oftentimes cause the disability benefits to be terminated. That as well can occur when there's a period of confinement or a violation of probation following a period of confinement or conviction. Failure to notify the Social Security office of these types of convictions, violations of probations, or periods of confinement can also detrimentally affect your ability to continue to receive disability benefits. It's important to remember that dependents of people that may have a period of confinement or may be in violation of probation, they still have a method to be able to continue to receive those disability benefits even though the person that ultimately was given that disability is confined and may themselves not be eligible for those benefits. It's important to understand your complete set of rights. It's also important to understand that regardless of your ability to understand the language, whether it be English or Korean or Spanish or Chinese, you're still held to the same standards as everyone else. So it's important to speak to somebody that can actually explain all of the rights that you have and the rights that may be affected by obtaining additional convictions and violations of disability law.